What is going on, guys? Today I have a little bit of a different video for you. So as some of you know, I can solve a Rubik's Cube, right? I am going to try to solve a Rubik's Cube while drifting, because why not? It's probably gonna fail. It's gonna be really hard. Probably won't be able to do it, but I'm gonna try. So I guess I'm gonna see how long it takes me to solve it while doing this. And my only really rule for myself is if I spin out, I can't touch the Rubik's Cube. I have to be in drift to be able to make turns on this. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start a timer on my phone as soon as I get into this. All right, here goes nothing. Oh my god, this is so hard. Can't even make like any turns on this yet. Oh my god, this is literally gonna be impossible. Alright, spun out. Oh my god. If I can do this in 5 minutes, I honestly would be super happy. Oh my god. Sucks is I usually do most of my drifting with my left hand. But I can only solve my Rubik's Cube one-handed in the left. Oh my gosh, and I got really used to drifting in VR too, which doesn't help, but... Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna make this a little bit easier for myself. I'm just gonna drift in this little parking lot. Oh, spun out. Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna mess all this up. All of these algorithms at the end are just like, they're like muscle memory, but I have to think about them. And if I get stuck in the middle, I'm gonna have to start over. Oh, God. I messed it up, guys. This is awful. Hello? Alright, I can't do this. This is awful. Alright, there it is, guys. That's exactly how I feel right now. Literally exactly how I feel right now. Giving up. Way too hard. So our time of giving up was 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Freaking awful. Just to prove it to you guys. So this is the scramble that I'm gonna do to let you know that I'm not just like reversing the order. Okay. All right, there it is. I got lucky and it was actually a pretty easy solve, but 14 seconds and 23 milliseconds. Not too bad, not too bad. All right. Well, guys, I'm sorry that I failed and let you all down, but I thought it would be a fun video to do. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.